Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily install indicators on MetaTrader 5 on your computer. So let's start. So right now, let's say that I'm in in indicators and you want to download some kind of indicator here. I recommend not using it directly for the trading because you need to test it out a lot. And if you didn't program it yourself or someone else would program it for you, I will be careful about, we can test it out, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. So here I'm going to click download as a zip, download code from meta editor. So you get these options here. So let's say that we have this one here. And now what you want to do when you're going to be here is, let's say, download as a zip, right? In the moment when you download it as a zip, or I can simply click here, I can have all pivots, points, or a zip file. And now what I would do, I can open it, so in the folder. Let's say I'm going to copy it. And now what I'm going to do, it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. So I will go to MetaTrader, File, open data folder. Here you're gonna have MQL5, click on it. Then you're gonna find indicators. And here you want to simply paste the indicator. And then you would go to the custom, insert indicators, custom, and you should be able to see that. So if I'm going to let's say like this, MetaTrader 5, I'm going to open the account here again. All pivot points, look at this. So here we got it, and here we got our indicator. So this is how we do it. I hope I explained it well, how you can actually do it and how you can install indicators. Now when I have it, I can find the inputs here, the colors, the visualization, and you can really read about it. And to repeat the whole process, what you can do also is go to Insert or be in Tools, go to Meta Quotes Language Editor. Here you can click on the indicators, right click on the indicators, open folder, and you can get to the folder faster if you want. So you can also paste it right here, so you don't have to go through the way that I did, but this is the second way how you can actually install indicators. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support, because I think adding indicators is nothing difficult. And that's pretty much it.